Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to do a drive up the mountain. Now that's something I regularly do, obviously, but since I got the new turbo on my car, which is the Intense 5656 RS, I actually haven't been up there. Actually, since the video where I took the car for a drive with my old turbo and actually blew the turbo, that's the last time I was up there. So I've been really keen to see what the car's going to sound like with just constant on and off throttle, going through corners, lots of acceleration, high and low RPM, and to see how the turbo does overall. It's a really good test for the new turbo. It's a road I drive pretty often, so there's been a few videos driving there. You can kind of see the mountains in the background there. That's where I'll be heading up. And yeah, I'm keen to make a POV driving video with my microphones set up like I normally do. So I'm going to have one in the engine bay, one at the exhaust, and that's going to be the video that we're going for. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy it. I'm super keen. I've basically tested this turbo out in every other way so far other than that. I've done some launches, had it on the dyno, done some daily driving, done a bunch of pulls. So all's left to do is take it up the mountains and see how it does. See if a little bit extra lag is noticeable up there, because so far I haven't noticed anything. So yeah, I'm super keen to see how we do. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, then feel free to subscribe. Make constant Evo 10 and rally art type content, so every week there'll be a new video. This is my Evo 10, and my wife also has a red Evo 10. So yeah, if you can, give the video a like, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe if you're not already. But with all that said, let's jump in the car, get it warmed up, and go up the mountains, go for a nice little drive. guys, well, as you can see, made it to the top. Unfortunately, the roads are pretty bad at the moment. We just had some crazy floods here in Queensland, and yeah, up to here at the mountains, really copped it. But car did well, sounded great. Hopefully the clips turned out well. I will try and get some more on the way back down. For now, I just wanted to stop and check out this view, because yeah, as you can see, pretty nice. So we're gonna jump back in the car, head back down. I don't know if I'm gonna film any more on that road, just because it's, yeah, water over the road. There's a few spots where you gotta stop because they're doing maintenance. So I might just get to the bottom, turn off onto another road, see if I can get some more clips. If needed, if the video's already got enough and you know, the clip sounded good, then I'll just leave it. But yeah, either way, this is gonna be the end here. I'll add some more clips if needed. But yes, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Always love coming up here in the car. Does amazing on these roads, and yeah, they usually are great to drive, but unfortunately today not so much. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this one, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think, how it sounds compared to the previous videos, if you've been watching for a while and you've seen some of the old ones where I came up here with my old 712 GT pumps turbo. And yeah, subscribe if you're not already. But with all that said, until next time, I'll catch you guys later.